Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the PhonoGuy. So, Caviar launch soon their new $500,000 PlayStation 5, which is covered with a 4.5 kg of a gold. Late last year, Caviar decided to get out of its comfort zone of making bejabbed a smartphone and announced a Gladiator PlayStation 5 console due to Golden Rock. Because of its characterizes appearance, 9 console will be made with a starting price of $4,999. No one to typo that $500,000, and if you are thinking that's no one will pay that much, you do wrong. Apparently the company has received 1342 application to buy this $500,000 Caviar PlayStation 5. Among those interested are basketball superstar LeBron James, as well a well-known Russian businessman living outside Russia, and an equal famous American businessman in the IT field whose name are not to be disclosed. Work on the Golden Rock console will take about 4 months. Caviar has tapped a jewelry contractor that specializes in working with a gold to prepare a test sample. Each console will be covered with a 4.5 kilogram of 18 karat gold. The process starts with 8 separate sheets cast in a solid gold that's need to be shaped into the geometric design and mounted on the PS5. Also, the controller will be covered in a genuine crocodile leather dyed in a black. This video showed a blinged out version of the controller with a more gold, so the design may not have been finalized. If you fail to get on the list or don't have a $500,000 right now, you can also have a peek at Caviar Carbon and a black leather PlayStation 5 customization. 99 will be made of each. The PlayStation 5 Carbon cost $5,830 and is covered stealthy automotive grade stealthy carbon fiber. The alligator leather option also went with a black color scheme. This one will set you back $8,140. Caviar also has customized 2 controller with a carbon fiber and a leather respectively, so that they match the console. Note that all 3 versions are based on the digital edition version, the one without an optical disc drive. So if you were hoping to save some money by buying games on the second hand market, you are out of luck. So this is the latest $500,000 Caviar PlayStation 5, and it's a beast. 1342 application received for buying. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Let me know in the comment section, are you interested in this new beast, and also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out.